Hey guys, today I will be reviewing the Fine Way Women's Long Matte Leather Book Card Holder Purse Wallet, and it's by Lady Baby. And this is how it comes. Plastic. Ooh, fancy, right? And here it is. This is the wallet. And here it is. So it has all the compartments for the cards. Another compartment right there. And then open it like this. And it has the compartment right there. Another one here with more cards. A lot of card space. More slots here. This one, another slot here with a zipper. Right here. Another one right here. And more card space right there. Close it. And guess what? Another one right there. It's a hot pink, but it's available in different other colors like black, blue, aqua, purple, beige, hot pink. I like hot pink. So it's synthetic leather, and obviously you can put a lot of cash in there, a lot of card space. I love that because I have a lot of cards. What else? I like the size. It's a standard size, so you can put it in your purse. And pretty much it's just very, very soft. I like it. So if you have any questions, message me or leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe, and that's it. I'll be posting the link where you can purchase it also, and I'll be seeing you guys around with another review. Bye.